Hello, host families. I'm happy to meet you all again in the introduction of the Trial Challenge 1. Today, I'll be revealing the Challenge 1 and explaining you all the details so you'll be very clear about it. And once you have seen this video, then you can start building the project and sending us the results through Facebook or WhatsApp. You can get your family IDs from the document that I have shared in the group. So you can use that family ID while submitting so that we know that you have submitted. And every 24 hours, we'll release a leaderboard. We'll evaluate the outputs. So there are a separate judges panel who will see all those outputs and we'll score it. And then we'll update it regularly. Okay. So try your best as a family to do these challenges. It will be a lot of fun, and you're also building a STEM rich environment in your homes. That's the most important part. So now I'm going to reveal the challenge. I'm getting excited to reveal the challenge for today. Yes, so this is the challenge for today, and it's called Construct Cantilever. Design and build the longest cantilever beam using just newspaper. For someone who's listening the word cantilever for the first time, not at all a problem. I am there to explain you what is a cantilever beam. So this is a challenge. Now I'm going to the real world application of cantilever beams. Here is a photo slideshow of many pictures. This is how cantilever actually looks like. And here, when you're waiting in a bus stop, and you will have those shade done by cantilever. In the signboard, advertisement boards, you see it. Traffic light post, importantly, they use cantilever beams. And I got this picture, nice picture in a playground. You could also see one end is free, another end is fixed. Parking lot shade, again a wonderful example of cantilever beams. And there are more examples for cantilever beams in your daily life, so you can also recollect some of it while you're building this challenge. And next I'm going to explain you the challenge using the challenge book. The challenge book is also posted in the group for your reference, so I'm going to quickly review it for you. Yes, you need to construct cantilever beam from the edge of a table. What are the materials you need for this? So newspaper, 4 full-size newspaper sheets. So don't use more than this. Use only 4 sheets of newspaper. Tape of 3 feet in length. It can be plus or minus, but you can work around this number. Scissors can be used for cutting purposes. And soap bar, I'll let you know why we need soap bar. So once you've understood the challenge, don't get to the actual building of the challenge. First brainstorm and design it. So you just discuss as a family on how we are going to do it. Ask some specific questions. Some of the questions are listed in the document, but you can have a conversation among your family on how you're going to build it, what are the cantilever models, how can you attach 2 newspapers, and how we are going to make it more strong. And then after this, you're going to actually build the model. So once you have built it, you will test it, evaluate, and then redesign it if it's not working properly. So it's not like one time you do it and then that's it. No, so it's all about you can continuously improve. You have time till Tuesday to submit, so not at all a problem. You can just try different varieties and then adding some doing some new experiment. That's the lot of fun. That's the fun part. So it's not the end product. The process is very important. Like how you build it, how as a family you work together. So there are some of the points listed here which you can check it. What if your beam is very short? How we can lengthen it? How it's falling off from the support? There are a lot of challenges that you will face, but you can definitely overcome it. And those are the points that you can reflect. And how we can take it to the next level. So you need to place a soap bar on one side on the free end of the beam. So for us to see that, yeah, your beam is working great. I mean, it's like strong to hold the soap bar. You can also keep more than one soap bar and see at what point your cantilever beam is falling apart. And you can roll a small ball all the way from the fixed end of the beam to the free end of the beam to check how it is. So these are some of the extended activities, but you can also try your own interesting activities with this, so there is no end to it. So what to submit? So you need to submit 1 minute video explaining how you are doing this or how you did it, and two pictures of the model with your family members. Maybe your family near the cantilever beam, and you can take a picture. And you should send us the length of the beam for this particular challenge. And how our judges will score? Yes, obviously based on the length of the beam from the fixed point. So the longer the beam, the more the score will be. Based on your creativity in design, there are multiple ways in which you can do this. So we'll also see how creative your thoughts are, and based on your family effort. That's very important. Kids can do it alone. uh, Parents, if parents also being part of it, if the whole family works together, then that's a different field. So please try together as a family. And how to submit? We need to go to our Facebook page. The link is given in the rule book, which you can check it. Add your photos and video, mention your family ID, use the hashtag host family edition, and just post it. Then our team will review it, and then we'll publish it in our Facebook page, and we'll also score it. Method 2 is WhatsApp video photos to our official number, which you've already saved it. If you've not done it, please save the number and mention your family ID with it. So keep completing the challenges, even though the deadline is Tuesday, 11 o'clock for all the three challenges. You can submit this in like 24 hours. So you can keep, for every challenge, time limit is 24 hours. So and the document also has some real life applications, engineering and action, some of the examples for you to, like, if you're really interested, you can check out that. So I think that's far with the challenge. I hope I've revealed all. So with respect to any doubts or queries, definitely you can message our WhatsApp numbers. Please be patient for us to reply. So because there are a lot of parents participating, and but we'll definitely reply for your queries. So I'm excited. I'm waiting to receive your outputs. So do it, have fun, and build a STEM-rich environment in your homes. That's the very important part, because STEM is one of the important skill for the upcoming children. So start today and enjoy and have a lot of fun. Looking forward, and thank you.